We are very grateful to Rajinikanth's fan club at Ariyalur for giving us this opportunity of setting up our device at Ariyalur.
One-time installation of the device yields a lifetime supply of fresh water without consuming electricity and groundwater.
Currently, our device is standing there tall, providing water over 100 liters every day to all the people in the vicinity. It's wonderful to see everyone drinking the water. I'm very happy. Apart from just generating water, our device is also giving excess electricity. So those who are staying in the same home make it a completely self-sustainable home. So any user who wants to stay in the home can just want to start living the same way because they get water from the air and electricity from the sun. So we are very grateful and very happy.